Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and my husband and I recently moved to this new community, and it is very, very tiny and remote. To go to a coffee shop, we would have to travel at least an hour. So that's why we decided to buy this Nespresso coffee and espresso maker. It has a built-in water receptacle that we can always keep full, so the machine is always ready to brew our coffee. I simply put the pod in, turn the handle to lock, and push the button. I absolutely love the rich and delicious coffee that this machine makes, and I especially enjoy that creamy crema on top of the coffee. If there is an old pod in the machine and I open it up, there's a wire track inside that will guide the old pod to the trash receptacle. I have owned pod style coffee makers before, but what I really appreciate about this one is that I have options for different types of coffee. The barcode located on the different pods actually tells the machine what kind of coffee I'm brewing and how long it has to run. I think that is just super duper awesome. I've enjoyed espresso, double espresso, a full cup of coffee, and it all comes out tasting amazing. I have told all my friends in this town that even though there's no coffee shop here, they are welcome to come to my house anytime and enjoy coffee from my exclusive coffee shop thanks to my Nespresso machine. And that's my point of view.